Hey, today I'm going to do a ship with me video. I had 4 sales today and I'm going to get them packaged up before I have to head out for kids activity for this evening. So I thought I would share the items that sold in the last 24 hours. Okay, so first we have something that I just listed a day ago. So this sold in less than a day. This is a Michael Kors zip-up cardigan sweater. I did have this listed for $39. Someone sent me an offer for $30, and I just thought, why not? It's a sweater. We're heading into summer. It's probably not a bad idea to just let it go, not worry about that extra $9. I believe I paid $2 at the Goodwill bins for this sweater, so it is a good profit for me. I either like to use this shipping paper or I use tissue paper, depending on the type of item that I'm shipping. And then I always use a little thank you sticker to close it on the front. I think it just looks nice. I know some people really go out of their way and do a thank you note. I received that when I've purchased from people before, and I think that that is super sweet, but I just don't have the time for that. So my workaround for a thank you note is a thank you sticker, and figure it's better than nothing. And I even have these cute stickers I sometimes put on the outside that say, I hope this package makes you smile, or something like that. I also have different types of poly mailers that I use depending on the size and what I'm selling. Like for Poshmark, I do kind of like to have it be a little bit more fun and vibrant. For eBay, I do typically keep it pretty bland, and that's just because of the items that typically sell. Now, if I sell something that's high-end on eBay or really nice, if it's a lingerie type piece or silk item, I'm not going to put it in a big white poly mailer. I'll put it in something a little bit nicer. So it just depends on what the item is. And I have these left over from a business where I used to have to ship a lot, and I ordered in bulk. So I have tons of really cute poly mailers left over that I use. And again, it just depends on the size of what I'm shipping and what I'm shipping. I like to add a little extra tape, make sure that it's sealed shut. That piece cute. Little handle. Let me find the right. All right, let's throw the Michael Kors. This is going to Oregon. Next up, we have an item that is one of the first items I listed in the first month of reselling. So I'm glad that this is hitting out the door. I did have to go back and forth with a lot of haggling. I really had the urge to haggle a little bit more, but I just, again, thought, Kelly, let it go. You're making money on it. It's fine. But this is a really lovely 7 for All Mankind wool cardigan. I just love the look of it. It's very like academia, dark academia, even grandpa core. It's just really nicely made. And whoever is getting this and haggled with me is getting a steal of a deal. I had this listed, I believe, for $40, and they offered me $20, and I came back, I think, with $27, and they came back with $24. And I thought, whatever. Like, I thought $27 was such a nice offer back to them, but it's fine. I'm not sure. Actually, I'll have to look at my notes of how much I paid for this. I can't remember if I found this at the bins or if I got this at a thrift store. I think I actually got this at a thrift store for around $5. So I still made okay money on it, probably a little less than $20 after all the fees. So it's okay. So one of the lessons I'm learning as a new reseller is that sometimes it's better to take a low offer than to just potentially wait and wait and wait for another offer to come along. It's so hard to know if you're going to be able to sell it again. It's so hard to know how long it's going to take for you to get another offer. And I learned this. I put a really cool, like early 1900s calculator machine up on eBay for $200, and I got an offer for $100 the very same day. And I thought, oh, this is definitely a good item, blah, blah, blah. I countered back, I think $150 to that person, and they declined it. And that was the end of it. Well, 3 months have gone by and I haven't received one single other offer, and I only paid $14 for it. So I wish I would have taken the $100 offer. So it's kind of been a lesson to me in asking myself, do I want to wait for an order to sell? Or do I want to get my money back right now? You just have to decide what's best for you. And on a lot of these items, I've paid such a small amount for them that I'd rather them head out the door, recoup my money, make the profit on it, and move on to the next thing versus holding out for a few more dollars. So this 7 for All Mankind cardigan sweater is actually headed to a buyer in New Mexico. The next item that's sold are these Western jeans. These are Rock and Roll. Is that the brand? Mid-rise boot cut. Yeah, Rock and Roll denim. No pockets in the back. And a nice boot cut. A nice dark gray color, which is really in. Let's see if I can show you there's the band there. And here is the tag. Right there. So I've had these jeans listed just a couple of weeks, and I thought at first that I picked them up during the jean sale a couple weeks ago that was at my local thrift store where all jeans were only $2. I did pick up about 30 pairs of jeans that day at 2 different locations. And I thought at first when I saw a pair of jeans sold, I thought for sure it was from that, but these I actually did pick up at the Goodwill bins. They haven't been listed very long. And I had them listed for $32, and there must have been an offer to Watcher for $30. I didn't have to do any haggling back and forth. They just took the offer and it sold for $30. These aren't close to 2 pounds, so I probably paid around $4 for these, but that's still a pretty good deal. I also want to show off my new tape dispenser I got. I'm loving it for packaging things up. It's got the shipping size tape, which I have this fun white with black polka dots on it, and then of course just my regular Scotch tape. And I really like having them both handy and tearable. Not terrible, but tear-able when I'm trying to ship. And it's a heavyweight item too, which is nice. So when you're pulling on it, it does not come towards you. It stays in place. So that was about $25, $26 on Amazon, which is a little expensive for a tape dispenser. But once it arrived, I understood because it's super heavy weighted down, and it's just a fantastic little tool that I know is going to save me lots of time and headache every day when I'm packaging up items. Because I did recently change my shipping time from 2 days to 1 day in hopes eBay would show it to more buyers, hoping they're thinking that my items are worth showing to more buyers because I have the 30-day return policy and also now the 1-day shipping turnaround. So I've been doing 1-day shipping, even though I say 2-day shipping. I just kind of wanted that, I don't know, that flexibility just in case. So I am still a little nervous about, what if I get busy and I don't get to ship it out, because I do have a 100% seller rating, and I definitely don't want to lose my 100% seller rating. And the wild thing about these jeans, these Western jeans, is they are staying right here in Colorado. They are just going to a different town. And all those 3 items I sold on Poshmark, and then this item I sold today on eBay. These I found at the Goodwill bins. These are made by Athleta. They're just short shorts. They've got the elastic band, all the nice pockets, the zipper pockets, and they are in fantastic condition. So these sold for my full asking price of $24, and these will be headed out today as well. These shorts are headed to North Carolina. Thanks for shipping with me.